a moment, brother. I want you to have a moment.
Hi everyone. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Welcome to the class. How are you all? I hope that you can see me and can hear me clearly everyone. Welcome to the 9th and 10th channel of BYJU'S and I'm your teacher Ankita. Good evening everyone. How are you all? Yes, we are live now. And yeah, I can see a mail. I can see birthday wishes. Yes. Yay. Thank you so much everyone. Oh my god, thank you so much. So yeah, so I'll start from the Incredibles, then Abhinav, Vaishnavi, Parmeer, Mahalakshmi, the Mass Junction. Thank you so much, Bhavya. Yes, from your old student. Yes. Hi Disha, thank you so much. Arnav, Shritama, Mahalakshmi. Oh my god, I'm overwhelmed. I'm so happy. Purnima, thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much. Siba, we have Kaushik, Arya, Mahalakshmi. Yes, we can increase the font. Yes. Kashish.
Ma'am, cake कहाँ है?
Cake नहीं है. Ooh, we can actually make a cake. We have Kaju Katlis with me. If you want, I can cut a Kaju Katli here. Hi Disha, Deeksha, Kashish, thank you so much. Pragun, Chirayu, Disha. Thank you everyone, thank you so much. Where is Aishwarya ma'am? Ma'am is just here. Ma'am is sitting there. Santosh, thank you so much. Thank you everyone. So let's call Aishwarya ma'am, right? Party. Yes, this is a party we have. I have a surprise gift for you. Kaju Katli bhi chalega. ठीक है. Ma'am, if you don't mind, वहाँ से can you get from the Kaju Katli wala box from my, and
Yeah.
then you appear with the ta-da. Yes, we'll cut. First, let's introduce ma'am, right? Yeah, come ma'am.
Hi everyone, good evening and welcome to today's class. So I will quickly go get Ankita ma'am's box and come.
We will cut Kaju Katli today. Yes, everyone. Awesome. So how are you all? I hope that all of you are doing good, right? And of course, I hope that you are enjoying the classes that we have put it out, right? I think after the midterms, or like, I think, yeah, at the beginning of the session that we have right here, midterm, we had amazing sessions and you also supported us, right? And we did, right? We did work on the requirements as per the, the classes and the examination you had. So thank you all for your love and support, and that's how we got the 1 million subscribers. And we have the box over here. Now we'll cut the Kaju Katli.
Yes. Shiva, can we please increase the font size?
Okay, everyone, tell me how many layers of cakes you want. So, right, 1 tier, 2 tier. We can have it up to 5.
Yeah.
Right?
Do you want a knife?
No, knife is not there, but it's okay.
Knife I think is there. So we cut a cake for Ankita ma'am a little earlier.
Yes. Oh.
Hey, you're all behind me to talk in Hindi.
Yeah,
No, I've been
why?
taking Hindi classes now because of this, so that I get fluent.
I think we should not be forcing ma'am to speak in Hindi, right? Ma'am tries really very hard.
Yes.
So whenever ma'am will feel comfortable, ma'am will talk, right? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Here we have.
Can you make us big?
Yes. Here we have the birthday cake. Yes. From your side to me, right, and from our side to you.
Yeah.
Kaju Katli is here. Literally, we have Kaju Katli today. Yes, so we have Kaju Katli cake, everyone. A moment. Now we have Kaju Katli questions and we have Kaju Katli cake. Ta-da! Kya hai ye? Manoj, today is my birthday and we are cutting the cake in today's class. That's what this session is all about.
Yeah. Oh, we still haven't told them about this.
Great, everyone. So ma'am will cut. Ta-da! Okay, I'm just cutting with the finger.
Yeah.
But yeah, we have a piece and ma'am, please take a bite.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yeah, thank you. Shiva and Jessima sir, please have cakes.
No, Kaju Katli.
I'll come and pass it to you. So everyone, everyone with that? We did the cake cutting also. Yes, right? And with that, I think we will start our session now. Meetha ho gaya hai. We had enjoyment. We celebrated not just for my birthday, but we celebrated yesterday because we got the silver button, right? And it's all because of you. So now we are, of course, the number is growing more and more and we want to move ahead. So yeah. Thank you so much everyone for your support. Great. Okay. So are you ready to start the class?
Yes. So Shiva, can you please increase font size? It's still not big in our screen.
Yes, thank you so much.
Now it's increased.
Yes, I'll take the wish. Bye bye. Bye Bhagya, bye Disha. Thank you for coming to the class. Thank you Bhavesh, thank you so much. Yes everyone, let's start, right? Ma'am, what do you think today we have?
So today's class is going to be, again, both of us are here, so it's also going to be, today is going to be a bio class, right?
Yes.
So now I think we'll have to tell them a little bit on whether it's biology or social science.
Yes, yeah.
So today is going to be a little more of biology where we are going to be we'll become detectives, yes?
Yeah.
So ma'am, I think being detectives and solving mysteries, I'm sure when we are young we feel very curious,
Yes,
right?
very curious. I'm sure all of us have watched lots and lots of shows where we feel that, okay, yeah, we can be detective.
007, I know,
Yeah.
right? Full smooth he will be, and of course,
Yeah. Legends, we will say, they're the legends.
Adalat. Actually, we have some questions like that also.
Yeah, oh yeah, we have it.
So,
Yes.
ma'am, I think today's class is a very chill class.
It's a very chill class, but we want all of you to participate along with us, right? And let's maintain. We'll not be fighting in the chat. We'll be focusing. If you have doubts, please do ask us, right?
Yeah. And have fun.
Yes.
Okay, it's important that you have fun today. It's not about, we have Jeet Ka Josh and
Yeah.
we have all these, exam-centric
Yes.
things going on, that now it's also important to relax
Yes.
a little bit.
So now it's a good time. Yes. I think both of us like BTS.
Yes, we like BTS.
And someone was asking Hemlata, I guess, that what is Kaju Katli? So Kaju Katli, Hemlata is a sweet. It's a sweet made up of kaju.
Yeah. And ma'am says easy questions as Kaju Katli questions.
Yes. Because it's very easy to eat, your hands are clean, it's very nice in taste, no hassle. It's a very simple mithai which just gives a lot of happiness. So yeah. Great ma'am. So we'll start, and as you can see from the title itself that today we will be studying something really very interesting which I'm sure you must have heard about it, maybe have studied also,
Yeah.
related to something with the DNA fingerprinting.
Yes. So we will be learning about this. But ma'am, I think most importantly, I think you have a surprise for them, no?
Oh yes. Oh. Can you, I'm sure you must have seen on the channel, but there's an interesting surprise, which is that if you have registered for yourself, right, if you have registered yourself for the ANTHE examination, so the next week, right, we will have the Foundation Fest. Now, what will be happening in the Foundation Fest? In the Foundation Fest, of course, we'll be going into the details and we'll be covering up the chapters that we have in the ANTHE examination. Apart from that, of course, it will be a quick revision for all of you. Yes, ma'am?
Yes. So for all the chapters that we have covered so far, so since we're targeting IIT JEE, right? So we're looking at IIT NEET Foundation, ANTHE. We'll mainly be focusing on math and science, okay? So we will be doing maths and science, and as you can see, the dates are on screen. I'm going to move to a side. You can take a screenshot, or it's there on your community post as well. So you'll know on which dates for 9th and which grades for 10th grade, which subject we are going to cover. All of it is going to be there, right? So just sit back, relax, we'll help you with all of it. And I think ma'am, Foundation Fest is going to be exciting.
Yeah, because it will give you a chance to revise and it will make you actually ready for the ANTHE examination, which is of course there on the 5th of November onwards. So if you haven't registered yourself for the ANTHE examination, register now. It's a very, very prestigious examination that actually helps us to understand and analyze the strong points in subjects, right? And of course our weaknesses also, and so that we can improve.
Yes.
So do register for it.
Right, everyone? So do not forget. And I think ma'am, we can get started, no?
Here we have biology, right? We have lots of things over here.
So when we say biology, right, what do you guys think? What is biology? I mean, this is such a basic question after teaching them for so long.
Yeah. But what do you think is the definition of biology?
Yeah.
Thank you so much everyone who is wishing me happy birthday. Thank you so much.
Doctor.
Doctor, oh, is it? Harry Potter, you're right on time. But I like your name. Very good. Thank you so much. Yeah, study of nature.
मैम आपका real birthday.
हाँ मनीष, आज मेरा real birthday है.
Studying about plants, our cells, organisms.
Okay, habitat. Studying of living, study of life.
Yes. So it's important that bios, when we say, is always life. And ology, of course, is the study. So study of life, right? Now, ma'am, most often than not, no, in physics, in chemistry, they'll be seeing all these applications, or there'll be experiments that will be there. But in biology, it becomes a little tough, right? Because some of them are microscopic and they'll not be able to see, or you need some very fancy equipment.
Yes.
But there are things we can do, no?
Yeah, there are lots of things that we can do. And I think with bio, what majority of us feel that, oh, we cannot do anything if we study this, we don't have much.
Or
right?
what will we do?
Yeah, we have studied that. Okay, fine. Where we can use. So let's find out more and let's find out at what we can do. So in today's class, we have a very interesting topic and we'll be looking at the applications of it. Before looking at the applications of that particular thing, of course, we have taken a name. But still, let's quickly see the applications of biology. Here we have, of course, words. Of course, we know that bio has an important role in the medicines. What else, ma'am, we have?
In the world of food as well. So to manufacture food, or antibiotics, antibodies as well, right? So in all these cases, we use biology, right? Or we use certain techniques. Of course, these techniques would be very sophisticated techniques in the case of medicine. But ma'am, food is something that we do actually every day, no?
Yeah, we eat every day.
Yeah. So like things that you do at home, like how you make curd, or maybe if you like baking bread, right?
And maybe if you like eating cake today.
Yeah.
So we have biology, and these are the few applications of biology that we are just discussing over here. Now, in today's class, definitely we're focusing on something which is like identifying the criminals, right, ma'am?
Yes.
It is like we now will be wearing our hats.
Adalat.
Adalat, yes.
We can do that. Order.
Yeah. I like the name Adalat.
Yeah. So we have some situations for which we want your help to solve, right? And you will get to know how to apply. So for all of you who think, ma'am, I'm just learning about all these things because it's there in my textbook. It's for all of us who think that way and we learn about it. Yes, CID. We don't have Daya.
Oh.
In CID, no?
Yeah. There are so many memes on that.
Yeah. Darwaza kholo.
Darwaza todo.
See, I know little.
Yeah.
Yes, all right. Okay.
Is it 1 minute? I'm not ignoring anyone's wishes, please.
Okay, ma'am, just 1 minute. You can take this.
What? Take this? Okay. Yes, everyone. So I'm not ignoring anyone's wishes. Everyone, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your wishes. Right? Maybe the chat was really moving fast. So don't worry. Thank you for all for your wishes. Not ignoring anyone. Yes, thank you so much. Now I'm not able to take your name, but I can see your wishes and thank you so much.
Yes, all right. So ma'am, I think we'll get started.
Yes, ma'am.
And now it's one day at the bank and there's this guy who claims at the bank reception that his money belongs to him. But how do we know it really belongs to him? Because now so many fraud cases are also there, no?
Oh, I'm sure. Yes, right. I'm sure your parents would be talking to you about this, and I'm sure you must have read in the news and maybe must have seen on the news that how there are a lot of scam that happens, right?
Yeah.
A lot of people will come to you, they'll say, oh no, there's some emergency, transfer the money. We have to identify them, but there are times even without the identification, bank also does something like that. Now, how we can tackle it over here, we have a very interesting situation.
Yes.
I can see the answer, but that's good. That means that all of you have gotten the hint over here. So we have this man, right? He's struggling and he's saying that, okay, I want to take some money out and I can't.
Yeah.
But there are few details, bank usually have now, right? So when we talk about the details over here, we can see these are the few details we have. And according to the bank, the name and everything is matching, but the fingerprint is not matching. Now, what do you think could be the condition over here? Yes,
Biometric
test.
test.
Very good. I'm sure all of us have registered ourselves, right? I'm sure majority of us have the Aadhaar card.
Yeah.
And when you go there, of course, we give the fingerprints, right? We take the fingerprints. And they are very unique.
Yes. So fingerprint as it is, right? So when we talk about fingerprints, they are unique prints by which we identify ourselves. And interestingly, for all the population that is there, it's all unique, right? That's why it becomes our unique identifying, like it's a unique identifying trait that is there. Yes? I know ID proofs, fingerprints, right? Very good. Sometimes unknowingly they sign, they do all that.
Yeah.
They sign checks, they take checks also sometimes.
Oh yeah, they do that. Yes. Yes. You will get the global notes now. I think it will be there. I'll just check and yes.
Right. So yes, very good everybody, very good. Like how all of you are telling us, you have fingerprints, right? And here, I think what's important is the physical fingerprint that we're talking about, right ma'am? Here,
the imprint that we're talking about.
Yeah. And in our case also, if you see, there'll be biometric. Sometimes they even also have like a retina scan, right?
Yeah, they have that also.
In movies, have you seen?
Yeah.
I think it's there in the Avengers movie. They have like a retina scan that they do to enter like, sophisticated facilities and all of that. So they're all unique prints that will be there, right? So there's a one way of using prints and there's a one way of using biology, right ma'am?
Yeah, like we never thought that we will be able to use like this, but yeah. It's biology. They're very unique and of course it gives us the power to, keep the things very secure.
Yes. It's there in Krish 3 also. I didn't know that. I have not watched Krish 3.
Yeah.
I watched 2.
Oh yes, yeah.
Okay. So, now ma'am, we figured out that it's not his fingerprint, so he is a scammer. So, bye.
Wrong.
Yes.
Adalat.
Adalat has declared that you can go.
Yes.
No money for you. Right? Yes. Ma'am, I don't know in detail, but can we figure out a criminal by hair and find out the DNA and then profile the whole data?
Oh, interesting. We have something very similar to that in the upcoming slides.
So we'll discuss it.
Yes. So Harry Potter, just wait for some time.
Yeah. Time machine. Okay. Now we have our problem number 2.
Like.
Next case.
Yeah, next case.
Our next case is...
But wait, we're detectives, right?
Oh, we are... No, it's fine. Now we become judges. Or...
It's our universe, right? So
yeah, we can be whatever we want.
So I think while solving the case, we are detectives.
Yeah.
By giving the decision, we are the, judges.
Ha.
Yeah. We are wearing black also.
Yeah. Right. So, ma'am, I think you can tell them the case, right?
Okay. The next case is interesting. As we can see, there are two couples, right? And both of these couples are actually claiming the baby. That the baby is there, right? Now we have to find out that whose baby is this? So basically, real parents, right, of the baby. So we have two couples and one baby. Let's see, right?
What now? Yes. Ma'am, we can ask them, but they are also already giving the answer.
Yeah, DNA test. Yes, but in DNA also, right, when we talk about it, how we are testing it, we are not going to do that details, but what is matched over there that we can say? Now in DNA test also, can you tell me from where we'll be getting the sample? Yeah, this is interesting. This is easy.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Hair.
Okay.
They take blood samples. All right.
Okay, these are the blood samples, right? But how many blood samples they will be needing? Either they'll be needing only from the mother or from the father or just for the baby. Yes.
But who samples? How many samples totally? So if you have to give me a number, how many would you give us?
Face match.
Now we're going into very complicated technology in
Yeah.
Krish, face match and everything.
Guess here, okay. DNA, both the parents, yeah. Both parents, three. Okay.
So you have two couples. So will it be 3?
Only 4. 2 couples, right?
Ha, two
the total
couples.
will be 4 and 5. Baby. So in all in all, we'll be having the 5 different samples from each one of the individuals. Once we have the sample right, then of course we'll do something interesting.
Yes. So basically what you do is you do something known as DNA profiling, right? So basically if you see, we have all these DNA fingerprinting machines, right? So I'm sure if you have not seen it, you can go check it out.
Yeah.
But trust me, it looks like a Xerox machine actually, you know.
Like this tick, 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 tick,
Yeah, you'll have, it looks very simple. Now you'll think, DNA fingerprinting machine, you'll think something again out of Avengers or, you know, Krish, looking all fancy
and very tech savvy. But
nothing, it's a very simple machine.
it just is, we run that gel also.
Yeah, and here if you see, right, what you do get is you will get a data. Okay, you get a data or a profile. And if you see, the profiles would look something like this. Now, once you get the profiles, they'll see which profile will, I think, ma'am, have the maximum match, right?
Yeah. So over here, can you find out and tell us that, like, you know, who's the parent? So we'll just move aside.
Yeah.
You just have a look at the screen and see where it is matching. So just match with the baby, right? See, try to match the red and the blue lines. Very good, very good. Ma'am, they're giving the answer. Couple 2, couple 2, couple 2. So I think we got the answer.
Yes, very good, very good.
Yes, so of course the couple 2. So over here we can see red and red is matching over here, blue over here and red over here.
Yes.
Interesting.
So it's matching with your couple 2. So we have decided.
Yes.
We will give the baby.
Baby is going with couple 2.
Yeah. Bye, couple 1.
Ta-da!
Sorry. So very quickly, ma'am, I think the next part they already know. But
Yes.
anyway, we will take them through this.
So the full form of the DNA it stands for the deoxyribonucleic acid, right? And of course, it's a genetic material that we have in the cell. Basically, all the information that we have is basically stored in the DNA. On our DNA, we have these small fragments which are called as genes. And you will be learning more about them, but they actually give us the different characteristic features like hair color, skin color, and so much more. So when we talk about these sequences, if the sequences matches with the, for example, in the case of the case that we saw, parents and baby, we know that they are the real parents of the baby.
Yes. So that's how we use it. And this technique is what we call as DNA fingerprinting, right? So it's a laboratory technique where we profile the DNA and we determine the DNA characteristics, right? So there are various techniques. See, when you talk about these DNA profiling techniques and everything, as much as we want to tell you, it's something you will learn at your master's level, okay, like BSc, MSc level, or when you are looking into your graduate level, that's when you learn more about it. But it's very interesting. You get a sneak peek when you're doing 11th and 12th also. And ma'am, I think here we have the profile analysis, like how they do it. And we already kind of told you how to match it, right? So they'll do a comparison between the two, like how if you have, ma'am, I think 2 similar pictures, right? You'll see which will match the most.
Yes. So over here, if you can see, we have the parents, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. So basically, 1, 2, 3, 4 is of the father and A, B, C, D is of the mother. Now, if you see the baby, right, we have A, B, 3, 4. So A and B are from the mother, right, and 3 and 4 are from the father. So basically, what happens is a mixing of the genes and they are present in the offspring or the baby, right? So that's how we will be doing the matching also.
Yes. I can see a very interesting comment, ma'am. See the baby's hair.
Oh.
Yeah, that's something we didn't realize. The other parents are blonde.
Interesting. Very good, Abhinav. Menti, we don't have Mahalakshmi today, but yeah, in the upcoming session, definitely we'll have the Menti also. Right. It can be a Varun as DNA is true. I didn't get that. Oh, Bhumika's comment was there that, you know, her father is a criminal advocate.
That's awesome. It's a part of heredity and evolution. It's a what do you say? Teaser.
Yeah, it's a teaser for that. Yes, yeah. Thank you, Anushka. Yes, we will be coming up with the heredity and evolution, so yeah, don't worry. Yay! Thank you, Anya.
Right. So, ma'am, I think this is also something that you all know, right? And I'm sure if you've all paid attention in reproduction, right, and how this happens, we know this, right? That a copy of your characteristics comes from your father and a copy of it comes from the mother. So this is something that you've already learnt about, and I hope all of you paid attention in Ankita ma'am's class.
Yeah, hopefully.
Ma'am, I've played too much horror games, so I know this. Huh? Yes. All
Interesting. Now, let's move to the bank again. We
Get
have
back.
something very interesting. Now let's see what we have.
What's happening, ma'am? I want to know this case.
So, there is a robbery in the bank, right? And this is a robber. Now, we have to find out the robber. Now, of course, this particular robber, when he robbed the place, right, he was wearing a mask and nobody can, of course,
Yeah.
see his face. But there are a lot of cameras. They have seen that person, but they actually can't identify the person. So, what they do a basic research. Okay, how many people came into the bank that day?
Yeah.
Do they have any connection? And the police, right, always look for some of the previous criminals who has a record in bank robberies.
Yeah.
So they did, and of course they have something like that, and they found there's a person called as Fool, right?
Fool Chand.
Yes. So Fool Chand, right over here, we have the suspect over here, and basically they're not sure about that, but yeah, they think that it can be him because he lives very close to that place only, and he was visiting the bank also, as they have mentioned.
Yes.
Over here, that he was seen around the bank visiting it.
CCTV footage was
Yeah.
there. He looks suspicious.
Yes.
All these criminal movies will
Yeah,
have that. No,
yes.
they'll be finding somebody shady walking like
Yeah,
this.
and like, they'll be acting very suspicious also. Like,
Yeah.
they'll walk like this.
Ah.
They'll be very serious. They'll not smile. They look like this.
He's really a fool. Yeah, I'll move to the side.
Yep. Okay. Both of us will move to the side. So of course you can see over here they have mentioned he has right hand mein, he has a very deep cut over here, and he
Oh.
says that he looks very. He's not a good criminal. He's
Yeah,
very nervous.
Yeah, not. He's not. What do you say? He should give little no confidence. He's giving up directly only while investigating.
Yeah. Look at us.
Looking suspicious.
There are very moments when we are, but we were like, yes, we can take it.
Yeah.
Okay. And of course, when statement he said that, oh, I just came to the bank to just withdraw some money. I don't have anything. I have stopped doing that on all of that. But there are few things, right? And when the police were doing the investigation, we'll just move aside so that you can have it.
Yeah, because they all want to see the options, so you
Yeah.
can see the options.
So the police went when they were doing the investigation. So they found some hairs, right? Hair sample, and they matched it with the different people, right? Who were present there at that time when there was a bank robbery, and they find something very suspicious. Can you tell me what it could be? Yes, come on.
Some of them are already giving the answers.
Yes.
Keshav, we are having Adalat.
Yeah.
We are having BYJU'S Adalat. We are having cases with us. Ankita ma'am and I are solving with your help. See,
I like Meenakshi. So he had hair quality. Yes,
we have
definitely.
to also recommend him some shampoo.
Yeah, we should.
His left hand is cut, not the right one.
Oh,
Nice.
this we didn't realize. We are calling us as detectives.
They are the detectives, we are judges. They are detective / lawyer.
Yes.
Then what else? What else is suspicious about Fool Chand? Apart from the fact that he's not a very good criminal. So DNA was fallen. So his hair DNA was the same from the DNA which was fallen. Okay.
Nice.
Cut on the hand is from knife, not metal rod.
Ooh.
So he's saying I cut my hand in the with the metal, this one.
Yeah.
And I always keep this knife as self-defense.
Which is a very large knife. I get that is given. Who will carry a big knife
Yeah.
inside the pocket?
But then again, why is he using a knife to rob a bank? Oh, maybe to scare people.
I don't think nowadays people are afraid of a knife.
I don't know. Right. Oh, Shiva is telling gun from here. He's like, no, not knife.
Nowadays criminals unfortunately have weapons.
Or they are now hackers. No, all of them will do it through online and they'll transfer and wire it out.
Nobody will be getting hurt in that way.
We watch way too many movies.
Very
This just goes to
much.
show how many movies we watch. He also has history of bank looting.
Very good. Yes, that's a very important matching point.
Yes, very good. Pin, yes. So ma'am, what do we do now? We have hair sample. He's clearly said lot of other things.
So yeah, we know that he's a criminal. We are the judges.
But we will do DNA fingerprinting.
Yes, we should, because we have the hair samples, right?
Yeah. And we shouldn't wrongfully convict people also. No, just because they look suspicious doesn't mean that you are like, oh, you are suspicious, so you're a criminal. No. We need to always have valid proof that somebody is not being, they're not the criminal.
I'm sorry, I'm just getting distracted. So, okay, once you explain this, I'll show them this.
Yeah. So basically what has happened, we took the hair sample, we matched it with the database in the system, right? And what do you think, right? What do you think would have happened? It's a match, it's not a match. What do you think? You guys tell us. Why does he have a rod? To chase people, maybe to break open the glass, right? Put him in jail, he'll steal your cake.
Yes, we have watched.
Yes. See, hair ka sample, the shaft part, what you see, right? This whole shaft part, that is the dead part that you see, right? Yes. Nowadays, people say false proof in court also. Yeah, that is also there. They provide false proofs, right? But it's important. We are not, we are not going to give any false proof. We will give honest proof only. And like how a lot of you are telling me, it is going to be 100% match. Yes? All right. So, ma'am.
Yes,
what does the court say?
Done. Okay, Tata, you're going to the jail, I guess.
Yeah.
This person is going to the jail because it's been proved. So, with that, I think we are done, right, with this case. Okay, thank you, Suchita. Suchita and Arshriya. Thank you so much. Sorry. See what we have. I'm just playing with that. I just got distracted with these. These are lattus. I don't know what we call them in English. Tops, yes. Okay.
See, the part that you see, for those of you who are asking about dead cells, right? Hair shaft, the tip of the cuticle part, the nail, this part is there. But there are living cells. Your living cells will eventually become dead cells. Okay? It's like kind of saying your skin, right? The topmost layer of your skin is made up of dead cells. Doesn't mean that your full skin is dead. Your living cells eventually become dead cells. Okay?
Yes.
Alright. So, ma'am, we have case number 4. I think we have 2 more cases.
Yeah. This is easy. I'm sure you must have seen this trend also going on. Find the
imposter.
Yeah. There are a lot of games nowadays. People play on the social media, and it's like it's a kind of in trend. Find the person who likes, let's say, coffee or like tea in a bunch of people. Something like that.
I have never seen this game. You send it to me.
Yes, I will.
Okay, so now you need to find the imposter. So now, who is an imposter? A person who is mimicking to be somebody that they are not, right? Yeah. Exactly, it's that. Exactly that. Okay, so you have to find the imposter. So now we have, ma'am, 2 bunch of girls, right?
Yeah. So I think basically we have to find out what similarities they have. Kind of, are they related to each other or not, right? So we have these 4 girls, DNA fingerprinting, like, analysis we have over here, and we have to find out whether they're sisters or not, or whether there's are they related or not in simple way.
Yeah. So we'll say that these 2 are claiming to be sisters, these 2 are also claiming to be sisters, but who are really sisters? Like how sometimes you think that Ankita ma'am and I are sisters.
Yeah.
So are we sisters?
Oh, this is interesting.
Yeah. What do you think? Ta-na-na. I want to put KBC music now.
Yes. Santosh is saying, Fulchand ko umr kaid ki saza ho gayi. Yes.
First one is, side, okay.
Yeah, we are moving aside. Okay,
ma'am, you can stand in the center.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yes. Both of them are not sisters. Hey, what are you saying?
Okay, which one is not sister?
Which is not sister?
1 or 2?
Who are we sisters, Mosasi? Yes. Lot of sus there. Second one are not sisters. 2 are imposters. Okay.
Yeah. Like, it's not visible on the black screen. But this girl here and this girl here are almost of same length.
Ma'am, but if you look at us and our siblings, we are not like that.
Yeah.
Our siblings are very tall.
But they're almost of the same. And of course, like based upon this fact I'm saying, and of course the a little bit fact that I was like, long hair and all. So we have this.
Yes. What are those lines beneath them? Is it litmus paper? No, this is not litmus paper.
Who is this litmus paper? So we are discussing about the DNA analysis or the DNA fingerprinting. It's a very amazing technique to help us identify the twins, to help us to identify the criminals, and to know the parents of our babies also. So yeah. So over here, if you see, these strands are all matching, right? So based upon their DNA structure basically is matching over here in case 1. But in case 2, as you can see, only one thing is matching, and it will match anyways because there are a lot of genes that we have common.
We don't know about their DNA. Let's assume we got their DNA and then we did test. So these guys are the matches. So we have found the sisters. Now they're saying twin sisters, but okay, let's say sisters, right? Yes.
Middle one are sisters.
Mom, they're saying we should take DNA test.
Okay.
We'll give you the report. You tell us. Hair color is changed. Hey, now they've decided to color hair and all, no?
Yeah.
You are beneath the imposter. Vote out, Ankita. We are imposter. Yes.
Ma'am, we can also color our hairs. Okay, everyone, do tell us, what do you think? Now, we are not promising that we will do it, but now that we are talking about the hair color and both of us really want to color our hair, what do you think? Should we color our hair or not?
Yes or no?
Janta wants to know, right?
More than that, you and I want to know.
What do you think?
Black hair is sausage. Hey, don't say that.
Yes, come on. What do you think? Reddish. Okay. Do you want to see your teachers in,
Ma'am, one green, one blue. Ooh.
Red for Aishwarya, ma'am. Natural look best. Okay. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, experiments. No.
We can do
green.
like
orange.
We could do like highlights of purple, right? Like maybe like a dark purple kind of thing, right? We could do something like that, no? Same as TikTokers. Hey, we don't want to be TikTokers.
Yeah, matlab it'll damage our hairs.
Yeah. But no, we can try that at the bottom. We could get highlights.
Multicolor, rainbow. Aishwarya ma'am, purple.
I've been thinking about it for a very long time.
Okay, me pink. Okay. Oh, orange or full of Joker, yes. Satrangi, okay. Nice.
What is Chinky Minky? Rainbow colors.
Like the unicorn colors, right? Oh, they have beautiful unicorn colors, right? Fine, everyone. So, if in future you will see some beautiful colors, we heard you.
Yeah. So you know that it's because of all of you. But again, convincing parents, at least for me, is a very big task, right? Because my parents would be like, no. They'll just say no.
Acha, theek hai. Okay, ABCD. We'll ask ma'am only then.
Yeah. What is Chaprika?
Oh, that we don't know.
We don't know.
Nice, everyone.
Yeah.
So with that, we are happily on to the last session. Not the last session.
The last case of today's court before the court is adjourned, right?
Yes.
Does the child have the disease?
Oh, this is something which we know that the diseases actually moves from one generation to the next generation, right? But over here we'll be discussing about this particular case. So let's see what we have the case. Bhumika is saying, ma'am, color to nahi padha, chashme badal lo. Good.
Thank you. Okay. So, ma'am, we can read the case. Yes. So, there's somebody who has sickle cell anemia.
Yeah, so I think she's a mother and she's saying that, I have a sickle cell anemia and I don't want you to get it. I want to make precautions. Basically, she wants to take the precautions and they will be going to the doctor and they will be undergoing the test.
Yes.
Yes. Keshav is saying, Your Honor, I have an objection.
Please tell us what is the objection.
I love these classes. From biologists, we can become anything.
Yes, definitely. We'll do more classes like this. Please tell us what is your objection before we go ahead.
Yeah, please tell us. We want to know. Rishi, so what will happen? I feel we'll explain in Hindi now. We'll become very conscious. So all the fun will go off. Here and there we'll use some Hindi words to add on the masala. But It's good over here.
Yes.
Or where is the objection guy? Waiting for your objection.
Then we'll tell what is sickle cell anemia. Okay, Anushka, we're just waiting for who is objecting us. Hemlata also wants to know what is sickle cell anemia.
I think this was the only objection, I guess.
Yeah. Okay, alright. So I think we'll quickly, ma'am.
Okay, Shiv is saying, in the last case, both the girls have same DNA, then they should look similar. Yes. So again, as we mentioned, the DNA was not completely similar. They have some similarities, right? And anyways, we know that even in the case of identical twins, right, when we talk about the physical structure, they might look same, right? But the DNA will not be 100% match.
Yeah.
That is kind of impossible.
And in all of us, right, we always observe slight differences. If you check your own family, right, if you check with your parents, your siblings, or if you look at other families where brother and sister are there, they are from the same parent, and yet there will be slight differences at all times, like ma'am said. It will never be 100% of a match. So you need to understand this very, very clearly, okay? And for those of you who are asking, ma'am, what is sickle cell anemia, we can quickly tell them, right?
Yes.
So,
what is it? Sickle cell anemia.
So,
okay, I'm really sorry. I again got distracted.
Yes.
Someone have left these cute toys over here. So we know anemia, right? So we know that if the red blood cells, they have a perfect spherical shape or the disc-like shape when they are perfectly healthy. But of course, if they are not healthy, we will see the shape will change, right? As ma'am is drawing over here, right, the shape of the RBCs will change and they will not be able to carry the enough amount of oxygen, right, which definitely will be hampering the health of the individuals. So that is there. And anemia basically is the change in the shape, and there are a lot of factors to it.
And again, like ma'am said, right, so you have change in shape, and anemia, like ma'am said, change in shape, but also the fact that it's a condition where there's not enough hemoglobin, so normally when we associate it, it's not because of enough iron in the body resulting in, less amount of hemoglobin being produced. But the end result in both cases is that oxygen transport is not happening. So you see that your blood cells, right, they become into a sickle shape. So sickle is what you will use for harvesting and everything. So here if you see, it will become sickle shape like this. And ma'am, sometimes it will also obstruct flow of blood in the body, right?
They just get stuck. They will not allow the RBCs to move.
Yes. Which is why sickle cell anemia is a slightly, there are of course, treatment, but of course precautions need to be taken. So ma'am, what do we do if we want to know if the child has sickle cell anemia or no?
We will do the DNA fingerprinting test because that's what we doing today.
Yes. So ma'am, as you can see, we have the mother's DNA and the son's DNA. So guys, what do you think? We'll move a little to the side.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, the other side. We have to move this side.
Yeah. And you can see over here, there's a pink color.
What do you think? Ask the child. How will the child know if he has sickle cell anemia?
He will have no idea.
Yeah, ma'am is still a small girl only. She's a...
Yeah.
Child is safe. Does sickle cell anemia spread through touch? No, it does not. Okay? It does not spread through touch. It's more or less due to some genetic differences. Child is safe. Now, what is the reason for telling us that the child is safe? What is the reason? Very quickly. Ma'am, what if he goes to the doctor and after this video he found out he's adopted? We don't have an answer.
But then of course his parents will give them I think they'll be giving him a valid reason why is that, and of course everything will be fine.
Yes.
Cool.
Very good. I think Arnav has given the answer. There's genetic difference of the boy. Basically, you see a difference in the band, right? Child is not immortal. No.
How we know?
Where have we gone? We're not immortal. There is slight variation, yes, but mainly if you see at this point, right, or this particular sequence, this mother has this kind of a sequence or a gene sequence, and that's why she is showing sickle cell anemia. But that is not there in the child. So that means, ma'am,
there was no mutation happen. Of course, the child is not a carrier of the disease. So here we have Saurav sir. Saurav sir.
He'll come now.
Yeah. He was there. He just came and he just left.
Yes.
With this, everyone, I think happily we can say that we are done with today's session. So it was a very fun session. Please do tell us that you enjoy such session or not. He came.
He left.
Oh. He thought maybe there's still some time for his session. Yes.
Saurabh sir is not there. He went somewhere. We don't know. He's missing.
Oh, we have to do some tests for him also. Right? Some research test.
Yeah.
We will find the cameras. We'll see where he went.
Yeah. We will take the CCTV footage.
Yes.
He
And
looks
now
suspicious now.
Yeah.
He was just here and now he's not there. Busy man, yeah. Right. So now, of course, with this, see, we've done a very simple Adalat session using biology, right?
Yes.
Mission, find Saurabh sir. Let's take the footage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Thank you, Abhinav. We all know your name.
Yeah.
We all know.
Thanks. Footprints also. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yes, footprints also.
So finally, judge take decision. So ma'am, what is the decision?
Decision is that the child is safe and the mother can chill pill. Yes, right? And they
Yeah.
don't have to worry. Basic precautions, right? A healthy diet will definitely help the kid to prevent, really, the kid will not be getting any disease.
Yes.
Adalat khatam hui. Aaj ki adalat kya, they say something in the court is
Adjourned.
Adjourned. In Hindi we say something, I don't know. But yeah, it's okay.
I don't know what it said. Let's... Why Abhinav? Why? This topic is easy. I know it's very simple and easy. Ma'am is found innocent. Yes.
Saurabh sir kahan hai?
Divyanshu, where's Saurabh? Call Saurabh. Yes, so now we have found...
Takliya. Oh, takliya.
Right. All right, everyone. Okay, thanks, Parth. I think I knew that, but I think I got confused also. But thank you.
Yes.
I keep hearing my brother say that. That's why.
Oh.
No suspects. Yes.
Yes.
All
Thank you
right.
so much, everyone.
So if you enjoyed this class, right, you know what to do. Go hit that subscribe button. Please make sure that you like this video. You tell what you want more from us. If you like these classes with us, then you tell us that, what kind of sessions you'd want to do more. If you have some suggestions, then of course we'll bring it, right?
Yes. We'll have more such fun sessions.
Yes.
Saurabh sir is, I think he's outside. He's a little bit busy, so he'll
Yeah,
come.
busy man.
Because you have a session at 7.
Oh
right?
yeah,
From
we have a
here.
class at 7.
Oh, yeah, even I have a class at 7. Okay, everyone.
Yes. So do not forget to join our Telegram channel and hit that like button.
Yes, and subscribe to the channel. We have a class at 7 p.m. today, right? After this class, we have a class where we'll be discussing about that how we can plan our learning, right? So join that class, everyone, and you will meet Saurabh sir in a few minutes.
Yes. Or you can come. Don't. You have 7 p.m. session, so go there.
Saurabh sir, Saurabh sir, Saurabh sir.
They want you.
Live again?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're like, Einstein is very busy.
वो green है तो वो green ऐसे दिख नहीं रहा.
Oh yeah. अरे कोई दूसरा कलर नहीं है हमारे पास.
Pink रखा है I think मेरी टेबल के पास में.
Yes. क्या है खास? विश कर दिया तुम लोगों ने? I feel you might have wished है ना?
हाँ.
Welcome.
Yeah.
We
were having a detective session. So
Wait.
they were like, get Saurabh sir's CCTV footage because you came in and you went. So then you were missing.
Oh, Saurabh Joshi. Yes. अरे we had a blast today. Aishwarya ma'am gave us party for Ankita ma'am's birthday. Diwali आ रही है. Nice. So were they able to detect all the?
हाँ.
Yeah, we had Adalat.
We were detective and then
We were the court. We were only passing there.
This one you'll be able to watch.
When is Saurabh sir's birthday? Very soon. In few weeks.
चलो टैनन बता दे बच्चों को.
Yeah.
कर्नाटका दिवस.
उनको नहीं पता. 1st November.
ऐश्वर्या राय बर्थडे. My birthday.
Oh, इस तरीके से याद रखा.
By the way, we have a 7 p.m. session, so.
Oh yes.
Session over. Saurabh sir happy.
7 p.m. session में we have a setup to do.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much for your wishes.
ठीक है?
Join the class. Right at 7 p.m.
हाँ, ओलंपियाड की बात होगी. Join the class. We'll continue the celebration. ठीक है?
9th and 10th.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye bye. चलो bye.